A candy that tingles your taste buds. It's no sugary surprise, but it'll make you jiggle in ecstasy. Learn how to make a candy strawberry with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. In a large mixing bowl, add the dry strawberry gelatin, condensed milk, chopped pecans, and shredded coconut. Fold until evenly incorporated. Then, shape the mixture into strawberries using your hands. Dip the pointed end into the red decorating sugar and the stem end into the green one. Place on waxed paper and refrigerate for several hours before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.